33 from Heljan in British Rail blue. Now the unboxing. Inside the box we have the usual black foam packaging, and there's an instruction leaflet. Which shows you how to fit the DCC decoder and so on. This says Class 32/2. This is a loco that's done a slim jin because it was built to a narrower width to allow it to be used on the Hastings line. These things just tell you how to fit the accessories. In here we've got a detail bag with has snow ploughs in it and various other things you can add if you want to super detail your model. And you also get a set of head codes. Right. Let's get the model out. It's quite good roof detail. It's underneath. Let's now get the loco onto the turntable. Here are the trucks that I'm going to use to create a representative train which runs with the Class 33 from Heljan. Both the trucks are identical, so I'm not going to review both of them because they're the same. This is the obligatory look at the end of the box. It says Ex Southern CCT covered carriage truck, BR blue. Here it is on the turntable, nice British Rail blue. It has the number on the side. There's quite a good grille there, and there's a ventilation thing, but there's no working fan. And it has sort of sprung brushes. The spring's very weak, but nevertheless they are sprung. Take it round. The window here is modelled in an open position. This allows you to get inside there and change the head code. This is a red blank, so this would denote the rear of the train. Here's the front of the train. The head code I've got here, I don't know what it denotes. It says 89. On the front we have got separately fitted windscreen wipers, and there does have lights on the front here which work. It's quite good cab detail inside. This is one of the two CCT wagons I'm going to be running with this Class 33 loco, so as to make up a representative train. These CCT wagons were built of wood, and the wood is quite well represented. On the end here we've got the ventilation ducts, and there is also a overhead power warning sticker. If you look at this more closely, you can see it. There's also some writing on there which denotes the weight and so on. Look at the end of this, we can see there's a separately fitted grab rail here, and there's a separately fitted handrail on the door there, and there's also this stuff legend on here which giving the weight of the vehicle and so on. Here are the two vans together which we are going to use to make up a representative train. Thames trains, slow speed test. That's as slow as it will go. This slow speed because we're coming into a short siding.